Sino Kiditsu, English poet from Nagaland. Rajendra Tumum, Karbi poet. Ashit Debbarma, Kogboro poet.
First of all, I am going to recite or read out my self-composed poem, my mother tongue in Kogboro language, and then in this version. Koglok limung, khairokma gereni hayu. Lamba monakzak limolo, mokol biokmang hopung gla. Mukti kublung, kebel yak yok mungsale. Nukungni chabao, sensa keplani yago, pikung ya prachawa taidrozi. Lamani hadugo, lengi kaprao, taikugo, koksana, kesenjalo. Sakposun, mokoli pon, tomung kusu. Buskama jelai sekangi triya. Bufang fangsani kum bukri kyokte, kuk munaina musungjago. Dai khasino kesaduno, koksana lambetu. Pia buslai kolna setmania. Jawani hadugo haino hai, sensa pakukna, yak serangna bangjago basra. Yok mungni tongthok sanaina khatulu. Sakebel pia khakra, langmani jawao chanmani fe, khapang chonggui mano. Sisong bisingo top masano chokti. Khani kogrokna khubo khologui. Salmozumo baro silinsa. Nakayungo bikrang peheli birna. Nikuma shinyani. Tangkhung kongli sankori kawu. Kebal dailozo. Khayukma kirini hayungo yakar gelana. Wansutang kode chabo sandro. Now the English version. The name of the poem is The World of Cruelty. In the period of darkness light, opening the eyes full night, with full of tears, for the freedom of people who defeated by conquered soul in the field of domestic battle. The ill-fated maiden castigated vehemently and transformed into speechless, just because afraid to the enemy from the own kinship. Inferior attitude made her burning mind, though her mouth desired for smile, like blossoming the flowers of a tree. An attempt to explain about pain in her heart, but no sense to swing the tongue. The mind aspired to fly throughout the world, to taste the delicious of freedom, completely fatigued yet valor. Contemplating the real fact behind the weakness of life, so shut down the mouth with grasping the words in her silently, sincerely, just like a bird captured in the cage, always weaving with demanding for to feeders from the sky. The ill-fated girl flying in every day to bid farewell from the world of cruelty. And the next one.